Hi guys, we are on the flight. A very subtle one, but where we are going, we'll see you in the place and we'll tell you there.
Pastel colors, very subtle guys.
We are back from the same angle because there's nobody in the middle seat, so it's all Rasi. Hi guys, we've made it to Skopje, North Macedonia, and we are very hungry. So we picked breakfast in airport. Don't do it; it's expensive here, but we don't have any choice. Our stay is 1 hour from here, and we'll be very hungry. So we just pick something. Another note. I forgot. I'll go home and tell. Hello guys, welcome to my villa in Skopje. This is our little outdoor veranda. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. And this is the house. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. Once you enter, you have a very clean living room. It is actually clean. We have kept our luggage. Then there's a small dining area with the little kitchen. Then on the right side we have a nice little bedroom with wardrobe here. And then if you walk a little ahead, you have this get ready area with this mirror situation. Sorry. And a nice bathroom with shower, a geyser and a washing machine. Now we thought it's a very simple room because it's around 25 euros. Not something that you'll never ever get in
€25.
Yeah, something that you'll never ever get in Amsterdam for this price. But it's 25 euros, and we booked this place just for one day because tomorrow we go to a different city. But I think it's worth 25 euros. It's too good. You have proper heater, you have Wi-Fi, and it's very close to the city center as well. So I'll link the place in the description, and we'll see what the plan for today is. Bye. Hi guys, we took a small nap and now we're officially beginning our trip, our day 1 in Skopje. It is 2:36. The plan today is actually going according to ChatGPT. So we asked ChatGPT to make an itinerary from 2 o'clock. We are late by 35 minutes, but it says lunch, Macedonia Square and Stonebridge, Old Bazaar, Kale Fortress, and then dinner and drinks. So we'll see if we can live up to this timeline. But today's video is sponsored by? No. Is associated with? No. Is in partnership with ChatGPT. Is in partnership with ChatGPT. We'll see you in the lunch place. Stop number 1 is Cafe Pellister. Pellister. Yeah.
Why don't we ever memorize the name of the cafe?
Talk for yourself. Bye. That is the statue of Alexander the Great. The city has a lot of statues. Guys, of course, we reached the place and the place is closed. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, sorry, ChatGPT was right. We were dumb. Pellister is open. We are here. The door was on the opposite side and we were just checking that side. But it's a great place. We've ordered some. Whenever it comes, I'll show you what. Guys, our drinks are here. She's ordered some tapela of cha for 4 days ka cha. Can you pour and show us?
Can you just wait?
Yeah. And I've ordered some very disgusting peach juice. It's called Bravo. I thought it's some kind of a juice, but it's like mangola but made of peach and not really nice. Let's see the chai. Magic, it's magic. It changed color, see? From disgusting to beautiful. It has hibiscus, papaya, and whatnot. How's the tea?
It's the yummiest tea I've had in my life. Honestly tell you.
Twins. Not twins. Guys, our food is here. This is the mozzarella chicken thing. And that's I forgot what the name is. But both of them look good and they taste also yum. Extremely full, but this looks so nice that we ordered a pistachio cake, which is one of the best sellers here. She's gonna finish it. Go to space. Guys, we got done with the lunch and it was really nice. Where is this girl? Arre? Shut up. We are in this Macedonia Square, so one of the places from ChatGPT is covered. The next place is Stonebridge. From there we go to Old Bazaar and then we go to that sunset point, but there's no sun for sunset. Let's see. Macedonia Square. This is the famous stone bridge. It starts from this statue, ends to that statue. I think we will take a walk. Let's see. There's also someone preparing to dive. Guys, this is the stone bridge, but what we don't understand is there's a lady who's ready to swim. But if you look closer, there's someone already inside the water. Oh my gosh. Is she planning to help that person or did she push that person? We don't know. From there we've come here on the stone bridge. Are you feeling cold?
I know it.
Because she knows all these songs. We are now entering the old bazaar. This is 12th century ka bazaar. This is just the beginning. Not sure which one is the mosque, this one or this one. Let me check on Google Maps. If you're coming to the old bazaar, make sure your stomach is not full because there are some very pretty cafes here. It's very Turkish themed.
Yeah.
You'll find, you'll have a lot of Turkish coffee places and even the cafes are very Middle Eastern themed. So we are very full, but there's one Ottoman cafe which looks really pretty and we're thinking of having a lemonade there. I think this is the mosque that's behind us. We are not going inside because I think it's a functional mosque and it's some prayer time. But let's see you in Ottoman cafe. We went to have lemonade or tea or something, but everything's over with that Ottoman cafe ka uncle. So we just came out because none of us are in the mood of having a coffee. So now we go to Kale Fortress, if that's the correct pronunciation. That's where you watch sunset, but there's no sun. Let's see. We're walking uphill to Kale Fort to watch the sunset, but guess what? It started raining out of nowhere. There was no prediction at all. But we just have 8 minutes to cover. Anyway, we can't see Teppu, the sunset also. So we'll just go see how the place is and we'll come back. Or we might just go to taxi. Guys, change in plans because it started raining. We came back down because our shoes we're wearing sneakers and it's super slippery. So now we're heading back home because it's very cold. There's no sun and it's also very slippery. It's also very gloomy. So we'll go home, she'll work a little, I'll sleep a little, and then we're super full, but we'll see if we can have dinner. And then tomorrow we leave to a new city. Bye. The cross that you see there, that's where we'll be going on Sunday. Ooh, it's the Matka Canyon. Sorry, it's not Matka Canyon. It's a Millennium or Millennial Cross near Matka Canyon.
Isn't Matka Canyon some water place? How is
It is, but then there's cable car also to this place.
Oh, okay.
Guys, when you're on the street, be careful because there are people running away with their girlfriends. So you have to be careful, okay?
Very lame, dude.
This is a really cool bridge. We don't know what this is. This is the Freedom Bridge.
The Macedonian people fought for centuries for the ideal called freedom.
I think
And
that's
why we
the,
thought of
though the sun is coming out. The time we decide we'll not go for the sunset viewpoint, sun is coming out. This is a very famous hotel where you can stay. It has rooms. Sorry, this is not the one. There's a replica of this right there. If you can see.
Dude, what is this for?
I don't know, but it's a famous hotel where you can stay on the ship. And this is a very cool Freedom Bridge that we're walking on now. We are near some park where there are some more statues and the sun. Nonsense. According to Isha, this pillar survived the earthquake.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that.
If the fact is wrong, hit her.
I don't know. There's some pillar here, but I don't know which one it is.
If you've not subscribed to my channel, I'm going to shoot you.